welcome guys, and today we are doing a cinnamon sea bass. Have you heard of that before? Cinnamon and fish and sea bass? No, that not sound right. Well, it is possible and it's going to happen over here. So let's jump right into the ingredients. We have our onion and garlic powder mixture. We have our salt and pepper and our cinnamon butter. Yes guys, you've heard right, our cinnamon butter. So we're gonna go on ahead and season this lightly.
Yes guys, and for me hear about fish, you know, so you don't need a lot of seasoning. Salt, pepper and a little garlic, but only thing we add a little onion powder in it to say, you know, the chef stuff. And just want to take it in. If you're a drinker, get a special, you know the thing. So we soon forward again when Chef Alexander has seasoned this something here and you're going to take it in. So go on.
Yes guys, look at that. And we're going to turn and repeat.
And as we always said guys, remember to season from high. So it's evenly spread.
Look at that guys. Can allow this to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes because you know fish take on flavor easily and sea bass takes flavor easily. So yes guys, so we're gonna allow this to marinate for 5 minutes and off we go to the oil after we finish. All right, soup forward. Yes guys, you realize that the oil is roaring hot like how we want it, so we're just going to submerge this sea bass, right?
Look at the sizzling.
Yes guys, it's looking so amazing and the aroma is so good. It's a perfume to the kitchen. So now we're just going to add our cinnamon leaf.
Add some extra flavor.
Cinnamon flavor or thyme, along with our garlic and our Pimento Sea guys. This is all about the flavor, right?
Alright, now the aroma coming from this
is a perfume to the kitchen. So we're soon forward. We're gonna come back when we're giving this a turn. Soon forward.
Soon come.
Yes guys, it's that time for the turn. So we're just going to give this a turn guys. Don't want this to break up, so I'm just carefully turning it. But because of the stuff in the pot, I have to be very careful, right? Oh Lord.
So you're a warm time guys. Yes, look at that taste.
Beautiful. So I'm just going to butter this up with that cinnamon butter because this is a cinnamon fish. Remember? Over here first, you see this? Drop it down if it's the first time you're hearing or seeing this. And
you know all is the creativeness over here, so the creative juice is a flow. So we just capitalize on it.
Yes guys, the aroma
is like a perfume to the kitchen.
It's so good guys.
Can you imagine the cinnamon smell? Yeah?
It's so good.
With the cinnamon leaf infused, the garlic, the pimento, the thyme.
This is so good. And look at that color from the cinnamon butter. It is so lovely. Look at that guys. Look at that, beautiful, right? So we're gonna come back again when we're gonna give it a turn and our next base up so forward.
So forward.
Yes guys, it's that time for the turn, so I'm just going to give this a turn. Wow, look at that. Again with that cinnamon butter. That's what we want guys. Beautiful. Guys, I get so excited when I'm cooking. This is so
Chef Alexander at work, you know, guys. You don't have to ask, you know, trouble around here, you know. Oh,
it's so good.
Take it in. I'm wanting to check out our Instagram, guys. As a matter of fact, check out our Instagram. Chef_Reid_. And you can find Chef Alexander at Chef_Alexander_1.
Yes, guys.
Just follow up on the Instagram.
When you guys see us again, it's the final base and removal. So forward. Yes guys, look at that, removal time. So we're just going to carefully remove this, right? Perfect. Perfect. Let's go. So forward. Yes guys, start dropping the comments. Look at that, guys. And I'm just going to plate this with the veg and the fish. The customer didn't want any starch with this, so it's just going with the veg and the fish. Look at that, guys. I can tell you this cinnamon is so aromatic. It's so aromatic, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. And all these butter that you're seeing will be out on the market, so be on the lookout, right? Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? This looks so amazing, and the smell is really great. Beautiful. And there you have it, guys, our cinnamon sea bass, cinnamon fish. Looking lovely, smelling lovely, and I know it's delicious. So look at that. Beautiful. Remember, guys, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there, and follow our chef TikTok. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?